Hi everyone, welcome back to LB Space. Yes, I got this Cuba EDC tools, that is two-man gear. And now that I get this Cuba Early multifunction EDC gears timing AX. Yes, that shows the AX is assembled with the 3 pieces, so you will win the 3 tools at one time. Cool! And more functions shown here: bottle openers, screwdriver sets, a series of 9 flavors from 0.11 inch to 0.19 inch. And here is a tiny sword, and the back is a sharp knife. Very practical on campings or outdoor survival. Yes, there is a compass. You will not lose the ways in anywhere. Finally, here's a carabiner. Hand it on anywhere you want, and a good hand feeling good. Nice EDC tools, special the holding ways. Very comfortable, I think. Oh, don't forget the weight and the size. 8.14 ounce and smaller than an iPhone, portable one. Okay, I will test these functions. That means here is more than 10 functions. Wow, let's begin. Yeah, great tools, I think. Let's get the details views with my microscopy. So this is today's timing AX multifunction tools. That is great and easy to carry gears I want. What should you do if you get it, want it, or post it? Your choice. See you next video.